Isn't this beautiful? Here I am at the Brunton Boatyard Hotel on the banks of the Van Bernard Sea. Behind me, it goes out into the Arabian Sea, and if we go down to the south, we go down to the beautiful Alleppey waterways. Now, because we're here in Cochin, the logical thing to cook is Cochin-style seafood. And what we're going to do this with is some lobster and some prawns. The secret, of course, is in the spices and the flavours that you use to really make this work well. And it's very simple. We start off with some pureed onion, and to that pureed onion, we put some curry leaves, and we just crush those up a little bit to put them in here. If it's not quite moist enough, you can always add a little bit of extra water, and we crush that up to make a paste. To this, we also add some garam masala. Now, garam masala is just simply a spice blend. The word masala means mix, the word garam means spices, but it always has a very specific flavour. Because we like a little bit of zing in our cooking, we're also adding just a pinch, just a little bit of some lovely Kashmiri chilli powder. So we crush that up, mix that through quite well, and then the next step in the process is to simply take this paste that we've made and to put that onto the seafood. I'm just going to brush a little bit of oil on, like so. And when we put them on the barbecue, we'll do them for around about 2 or 3 minutes each side. Depends a little bit on the thickness of them. And so we just get these here, pop them on the charcoal barbecue, and these will cook very quickly. With just some beautiful fresh produce, some very simple herbs and spices put onto the food, you can create something that is really delicious and tasty, and I'll have all your friends thinking you're a really great cook. Now that these are cooked to perfection, we're going to serve them up on a platter with a little bit of garnishing. This is something that is really so easy to do, and the aroma of the fresh seafood with the spices is just fantastic. Then I'm just going to garnish that with a little bit of coriander leaf and some lime. There you have it. Beautiful fresh seafood, wonderful flavours from the spices, easy to prepare, great on the barbecue. Why don't you give it a go this weekend?